This is Finn. He's running. Today we are going to Ollie's Mart. Okay, Finn's running there. We're gonna buy some chips and stuff that we can eat. Sorry if the camera's shaky, guys. Okay. Wow. There's Finn and Great. As you can see, we're brothers and sisters. So subscribe to. Not Finn the Great. He's Finn's Toys Review, and I'm Skye Black. So subscribe to the both of us. Finn's swinging over there. We're almost there. Say hi, Finn.
I'm so far. Whoa, stop.
So see you when we get over there. So we're here. I'm just gonna go downstairs. Okay. So excited. Oh, jeez, it's there. It's there. It's there. Walking over there. Push. So let's walk around. There's some stuff over there, water. So there's some stuff here, numerous sponges.
This big rice, guys.
Finn's making it like a baby. Here's some shampoo, conditioners, and some detergents. This is what I use for my slime. But in school I make slime, so this is what I use for school. This powder detergent, because we have it there.
You guys are big.
Oh, Finn, give me that. It's so heavy. Some plastic cups, eggs, fragile eggs, ice creams.
I want ice cream.
No, you mister. And some gummy pizza, some pochi, flour mellow, some marshies, bear mellows, fruitos, flat tops, jellies, fruities. Oh my gosh, stick Oreo gummies and stuff. Some drinks, and we're going out of the store. So see you when we get to the swing part. So it's raining, guys, so we need to hurry up. I don't know if I can make a thumbnail for this. He's getting crazy. China tree. I'm gonna go faster than Finn. Oh no, there's a card. Oh no, it's going. No. We finally reached it. So we got ice cream, tortillas, and crackling. So that's the end of this video. Give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to Skye Vlogs and Finn's Toys Review. And yeah, bye. My brother's getting crazy.